the worldwide pocket change. It's my day of tuning today.
Is that a video gate?
This is a video gate.
Oh, the thing has something wrong with the reflect meter. It's on zero reflect.
Let's go check this. Hold on now. We're gonna turn this 50-watt slug. Which one is it? Oh, the one on the top.
On the top?
One on the top is the 50 watt, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's a 50 watt. We want to turn that around. Forward. Bottom one is 5K slug. Yep, that's 5K. 50 watt slug in the front. We're gonna turn the driver off. Keep the box in standby. So which one is a reflect? Which meter is a reflect meter? This one here.
That's reflect.
That's a reflect. So you key in just the radio. Key the radio. You got the driver on? You got the driver on. There you go. That's better. Talking it.
5. Audio.
Okay.
Audio.
I want to make sure that's working.
Audio.
Oh, that radio won't do much, no. Okay. All right, so now we know that is your reflect meter. Right? We're going to go back here. We're going to turn it around. Slug on the front. He's just playing around with them two poles. Alright. Set the driver by itself.
Set.
Driver set. 5K slug. Alright. Turn the box on. Let's see what it do. Mash on it. Isn't that supposed to be reflect?
That's reflect meter.
Where is it? Not 4,000 watts, but
It's not moving.
that's not moving.
Not reflect, not moving.
Didn't we just test to make sure that worked?
Yeah.
We keyed the radio, didn't we?
Yeah, something's wrong with the friggin' meter.
Something wrong with that meter. Oh, we give up. No. Don't have to do all that. If it ain't moving 4,000, it ain't gonna move it 5,000.
Cut it off. Cut the video
hey,
off.
change.
Cut
Yeah,
it.
man. What you gonna do with that?
Throwing thing ain't moving. Cut the video off. Cut it.
Goodbye.